All right, what's up, YouTube? We have another TikTok shop video for you guys. I guess that's what the people want to see. I took a little break from posting TikTok shop content, honestly, just because I got a little bored of like making what I at least thought was kind of the same video over and over again. You know, talking about. But anyways, hey, it's not all about me, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I took a completely new TikTok shop brand from $0 to $100,000 in 90 days, all right? I'll refresh it here live so you guys can see that it's real, I guess. And while that's loading, it's probably gonna take a while because it's screen recording. All right, cool, there we go. But this video is gonna be for TikTok shop brand owners or TikTok shop affiliate managers, anybody who's managing the actual shop on TikTok. I think that's probably one of the best services that you can offer brands if you're looking to get kind of into the higher ticket space these days, but that's for another video. But yeah, I kind of want to just go over the organic strategy that I used here. So again, this is like, if I just look at September, like there were literally no sales. August, none. Like literally from $0, okay? But yeah, this was 100% organic. So if we look ads, $0 spent on ads, no ad spend, no Facebook ads, nothing, 100%. Like the brand didn't post a single video on their page. So this is a strategy that you can use if you are starting from basically $0. Okay, that's kind of what I want to show you, like how to get the brand off, or at least how we did, so you guys can kind of take what has worked for us and you can implement it yourself. Because it is hard to get a brand from $0 to their first 100 sales. Like it's not some like super easy process where you just, you know, it's a plug and play system. But I'm going to show you guys what worked for us and how I approached it. You know, you'll see in this time frame for views, we got over 44 million views. So with that, you know, you're gonna get a lot of organic traction. It all kind of just spirals in and like serves as a flywheel. That's how we got the sales coming from the product card, like organic sales from TikTok's little shop feature that they have, like the actual shop page. So the route that we took here, there's really two ways I think to go about it if you're starting from $0. You can either go out and you can hire an agency, or you can hire a bunch of creators on retainer. That's typically gonna cost you a few $1,000s, like 5-10 grand, kind of right off the rip, right? For a chance to like maybe get good videos. Like if you're working with, you know, you're paying 10 creators 500 or $1,000 a month, like there's no guarantee, there's never gonna be a guarantee, but the videos might just suck, right? Like you might get awful videos and already be out 5 or 10 grand plus. Now the route that we took here was the high volume, 100% organic. We just want to hit as many creators as we possibly can, get our first 100, 200 organic videos out there. And then we can kind of go in and work in and say, okay, these creators were pretty good. These videos were good. Let's get more creators to make this style video. Let's hire these creators on retainer, bring them in-house. So that's kind of the strategy that we took. I'll show you guys, you know, how we sent all those messages out through this TikTok shop CRM. But you know, at this point, we have over 600 different affiliates that have posted a video for us. We've got over 1,000 creators that have the product in their showcase. I think it's like 7,000 or 8,000 creators at this point. But starting from $0, let me show you guys the original. Let me actually go find the scripts we used to send out to creators, and I'll show you the strategy kind of behind it and how it worked. All right, here we go. I got the scripts. I'm pretty sure I made a video when I was first putting these together on YouTube here. This is before we had any sales. Was just walking through my thought process on kind of how this was gonna work. And it ended up working. So this is literally exactly what we did. So you can kind of see, this is the intro message that we were sending out to thousands of creators. The software we were using here was Uptick. It's a TikTok CRM, so that's what allows you to do like the high volume outreach. Oh, I wasn't even recording this. Hold on. A little rusty with the TikTok videos. All right, now this is loading. But these are the scripts that we were sending out to creators here. The software again was Uptick that we used to send the high volume. But, and I'll jump into that again in a bit here. But instead, like if you're a TikTok shop creator, you know that every day you get like hundreds of messages from, you know, or hundreds of invites where you get like an invite card from random brands. Like everyone's got the next best product. Everybody's got the viral product, they were going to pay the best commission. Like, at the end of the day, it's all the same. Like, every brand thinks their product is the best, right? So you kind of have to stick out right off the bat. Actually, this looks a little bit different. I think I might have modified this. I definitely had, because I remember this was all the same. We were giving away offering a $500 bonus at a certain tier. So let me update this. I must have just like switched it. Again, this is what we started sending out like months ago. But either way, so we kind of had the intro message right off the bat. We were offering an additional cash bonus right up front. So instead of just getting 25% commission, like creators, they want to make money, right? They're TikTok Shop affiliates for the sole reason to make money. So we're offering a $500 bonus once they hit a certain GMV level. Depending on what makes sense for your brand or the brand that you're working with, I would try to go even lower. I would go like, as soon as you hit $1,000, you get a bonus, just to incentivize creators to make their first video. That's the whole goal of this high volume cold outreach, is to get as many creators to just post one video. Just kind of get that momentum rolling here, right? Now, another thing that we did, this was going on in the background. We want to show these creators that there is a viral framework that already has either worked for this product or something like it. Okay, so this was where we went in and I built a portfolio here within Uptick, and I sent it out to the creators to show our top performing videos. Now, we started from zero, so we didn't have any top performing videos, right? We didn't have a single video. When I'm setting all this up, and this is what I recommend all these brands, you need to be creating videos either yourself, or you need 1 or 2 creators that you know to just start testing different angles. Okay, so this is what I personally was doing for the brand. I was testing different angles, made like 20, 30 videos within the first couple weeks, just testing new things that I thought was gonna work. Now, once something worked, like for example, for this video, I made a video that got over 8 million views, and it was like a faceless video, so I knew that it would be like appealing to other creators. It's like, hey, this style video works really well. You don't have to show your face. This is how you go in and make it, right? There are a lot of videos that started getting pretty good views, like 474,000, 415, 600,000, 200,000. So a lot of these videos, like I was just hammering different angles to see what was gonna work. Once those videos started to work and we got like our first couple sales from those, then I took all of those videos that I made, put them into a portfolio, and this is what I was blasting out to creators. And the momentum that picked up when I did that, like all of a sudden, instead of just having my video that went viral, like one of those videos did like 30 grand in sales. I sent it out to thousands of creators, and I was like, hey, this video is crushing it right now. Copy this and it will work for you. Then we had tons of creators going in, replicating the exact same style video, making tons of money off of it. Then it just like led into this snowball effect where one video that was made, it then blasted out to thousands of creators. It like the momentum just built so fast where like within 90 days, we took a brand from zero to $100,000, all organic. Like there was no ad spend, GMV max ads like didn't even exist at that point. Okay, now I'm not gonna sit here and just tell you that it's easy. Like you do only need one video to completely change everything, no doubt about it, right? Now the whole beginning, like the whole process leading up to getting your first viral video is just testing different angles, trying to see what goes viral. Once you find something that works, then it's, okay, we need as many creators as possible to see this video and to have access to this portfolio. Blast it out to as many creators as possible. They start creating videos just like it. The exact same video goes viral like 100 times over, and your sales start to pick up pretty quick. Even in the past like 2 weeks, I haven't been making a ton of videos about this, but let me show you guys. I've literally had like one video go viral, like literally the exact same video. Here's one with 202,000 views. I posted the exact same video just by cutting out one clip and adding another clip. Like a week later, it got 280,000 views. Then I did it again last week. It got 18,000. Like that's really the whole name of the game. There are other things like there are a bunch of automations we kind of sent to keep all, and we built like a creator group as well on Discord. Like there's different things that we did to, you know, have as many touch points as possible with the creators. But the overall strategy that we took, and that I think is probably best for most brands, unless you have like a huge, you know, tens of thousands of dollars worth of budget where you can go and just hire like good creators right off the bat, is go the high volume organic route. Even if you don't have like I said, I was the guy in the background testing different angles. Even if you don't have that, if you have a product that is similar to another one on TikTok that has worked, then you can just take all those top performing videos, put all those videos in a portfolio, blast it out to creators, and instead of saying, hey, these are the videos that did super well for our brand, you say, hey, these videos went crazy viral for a brand that is just like ours or for one of our competitors. Like, copy this style video and it will work. You gotta make it as easy as possible for creators to make a video with your product. Like, if there's no guarantee if they're gonna make money right off the bat, you gotta make it very easy for them to make one. So give them a video and give them a script that has worked well for something like your product in the past. Incentivize them with cash bonuses. Be like, hey, dude, this video hit, you know, $5,000 in sales. If you hit $1,000 in sales this month, we're gonna give you a cash bonus. So now it's like, it's easy for the creators, right? They have viral angles they can test, and they know they can make like a good amount of money in that first month if it starts to work. So that's what I recommend doing. A little bit of a rant here, I'm a little out of breath, honestly. But hey, that's how we roll on this channel. That's how I roll, at least. So if you guys are new here and you're still here with me, like the video for me and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting, well, I don't really know what else I'll be posting about. I like to just post about whatever I'm currently doing. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I just don't think there's many ways to go about it. Like, there's really only two ways to start growing your TikTok shop from scratch. You're going to go the high volume organic, or you're going to go the paid route, which there's no guarantee on which one's going to get you there quicker, but you know, that's kind of just two things that you got to try out for yourself. But you know, biggest takeaway is, like, you know, there's not going to be zero work put in from your brand. Like, even though you're sending out thousands of messages to creators a day, you know, trying to get them interested in your product, there's no guarantee those videos are going to be any good. So it's not like you can just kind of sit back and just, you know, hope the creators will make decent content with your product. Like, you kind of have to be on them, and either yourself, someone on your team, like trying different angles or going out and researching like what is going to work, what has worked for products in that niche. And then, like I said, just making it as easy. Like, you want to just hand everything to the creators. Be like, yo, make this video. It's probably going to do a lot in sales. And once it does, we're going to give you extra money, right? So it's just like a no-brainer for the creators. But yeah, that's kind of what you have to do as a brand or a TikTok manager. At least that's what I think. I don't know. I can only talk about what I did. But now I'm doing this exact strategy for other brands. Even one we just started working with last week. We've already seen the affiliate sales double just from like doing this. Like, I was posting videos and trying different angles and then sending it to creators, and we're already starting to see sales increase. So it's not some secret magic sauce. Like, that's just, TikTok Shop is just all videos. Like, it's like viral videos, live streams. So you just need videos to go viral, and you need creators to replicate those videos. So that's how we went about it. If you guys like that video, subscribe for me. You can join our, I've got a group for creators and brand owners on School. If you guys want to join those. Yeah, I think that wraps up today's rant. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.